Hey guys, I'm back. It's a little weird coming back talking to a camera. Most of my videos I make are behind the camera. Probably most of you don't know I run a channel called Titan Top List. I announced that to my subscribers here back when I only had, I think, 800 subscribers, and probably like 80 of you went over there and subscribed, so there's very few people who actually know that I run that channel. So for this video I just want to do a quick update of what I'm planning to do with my channel now. The goal the entire time was to make a plant-based vegan weight loss channel. Weight loss is something I've struggled with my entire life. It's gotten progressively worse as I've gotten towards my 30s and into my 30s. I'm going to be turning 35 in a month, and when I got to kind of 30 to 32, I could see my metabolism slowed down, and I was working out 6 days a week trying to fight the weight gain, and I was losing that battle. So I started off doing recipe videos, then I moved into a little bit of workout and some fitness product videos and just some random health related videos. The whole goal of this channel was to be a weight loss channel. When I started doing those more scientific videos, they're a little more aggressive, kind of heavy on promoting the vegan lifestyle, the vegan diet. Then I started making like scientifically based health related videos. I started getting a lot of hate and some death threats. I was adding a lot of stress to my life and not really getting anything back. I've made some changes that have really drastically dropped my weight in the last, within the last year, but definitely in the last 6 months. And I find the last 10 pounds is really hard to get rid of as you get older, and there are some strategies I can help you guys with that will really help a lot of you. So if you have the same sort of body type as me that holds fat, like my body is designed for survival. It wants to hold every bit of fat possible. So first off, I want to update you guys on the types of videos I'm going to be uploading here. So they're going to be heavily focused on weight loss and tips, tricks, techniques, food, mindset. There's a lot to it if you have, a real problem with this, like I did. And another major aspect is I'm actually going to be showing you the conversion of my yard with a lawn into a food forest, essentially. So that'll be more like vlog style content. I'm currently living in Port Alberni on Vancouver Island. I recently just moved here. I'm going through a divorce, and I used to live in Port Coquitlam in Greater Vancouver. And I was essentially forced out of the city. You basically need $500,000 in your bank account to be able to live there, or $2,000 or $3,000 a month in rent. And yeah, so I live out here now. So if you're wondering why the background has changed in any of the kitchen videos from before, when I used to live in a townhouse and now I live in a log cabin-y kind of house, that's why. So for now I'll be focusing on the weight loss videos and also the gardening videos. I actually have been working my butt off on the garden to get it ready for this season. I have 18 videos already filmed. They're not edited, but they're all filmed. It's been a real process. I've been converting my lawn into a place I can actually grow food. And just figuring this stuff out, a lot of it. I've been gardening for a while, but it's mostly patio gardens. I had a garden plot last year, which I'll make a video about, and which I really got to try out a lot of different things. And the reason for the gardening is that, I really enjoy it. It's really therapeutic. It's also a lot better to grow your own food because there's a lot more nutrients in food that's grown locally, and it's better for your immune system. So I'll go into this in a future video, but it's good to grow native plants in your area because that'll actually boost your immune system. So along with the weight loss and gardening videos, I'll also be doing some recipe videos. I'm actually going to be focusing more on simple recipes because I find for people that do weight loss, like a lot of time you're just ravenous, you're hungry, and you're not going to spend 45 minutes, an hour, like making some gourmet meal. You want something you can put together in 2 or 3 minutes, and I've become kind of a master at that. I spend a lot of time working on my YouTube channel. I have quite a few recipes that I've kind of come up with that are really simple and really delicious. I also eat a lot of meals that probably most people think are really weird. I eat a lot of smoothie bowls. I put like puffed rice in there because it adds a lot of texture. So I'll be doing those recipe videos. If there's anything else that you guys liked from before or you want me to make videos on, let me know in the comments below. That's exciting. We're starting from the beginning here. I'm gonna have to make a list of kind of the weight loss videos I want to go over and start from the very beginning. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.